Hey guys, this is John. Me and Jacob are down here looking at some of our beautiful trees that we have. And boy, they're just falling right off as he's touching them. We got animal trails and tracks all through here. Pasture's grown up real high. Haven't cut anything down in a while.
An acorn.
What'd you find on there?
An acorn.
That's not an acorn, it's like a berry. I don't know the tree. They sure are beautiful. We got a couple more back over here. They're solid yellow, back in that direction. Well, we're looking for bunnies. Show them your 22 pistol you got. He's got that in his holster.
And he has a U-birdie.
Yeah. I got a 357 Magnum U-birdie.
Trying not to hit him.
Loaded it up with 38 special round nose. I'll let him shoot his 6 out. If he can't hit it, I'll try to hit it in the head. Most unconventional weapon to hunt a rabbit with. But we're having fun. This is our pistol hunting. Wow, what flattened that? What in the world? Let's had a bunch of deer laying in there. It's all flattened up there. Yeah, you see the bunny hole? You found it. He probably ran out the other side when I was talking. He sure did. It's got a nice warm area for him to lay down under that evergreen.
I bet there could be a bunny right under this rock.
Could be.
But I'm stepping on it.
Alright, we'll head down the other way here. Down towards the pond. We're going to need to see one stationary in order to get a shot with a 22 pistol. Where you see it?
There's a rock.
It's also squirrel season. So we're going to see what we can find down here. Nope, dove's out right now. Come on down, let's work our way down to the pond. Just go slow and look everywhere. Yeah, I don't want to shoot a frog. Look underneath that big evergreen there, Jake. Take your time. We'll get back with you in a minute. Okay, now we're down here by the pond. All the cattails are. Jacob's hopeful that a rabbit will be spotted. We're going to go through here slowly and see what we can see. We don't really want him to bust out because we're hunting with pistols. It'd be kind of hard to shoot him that way. There's been a lot of animals down through here. You can see all the trails every which way through the heavy weeds, and everything's grown up out here now. Look ahead of you, not right under your toe. Yep, there's trails going through there. Getting a drink of water. Watch just ahead of you, Jacob. Look up here to the field.
Bunny hole. Bunny hole.
Another one? Careful where you're stepping, look ahead of you. There's some trees down right here. A tree. Watch the ground there.
There's a bird.
Yeah. Come up here to that tree. He might be sitting here or under it. Nothing. Take your time. Look up in the tall grasses.
Over there might be some.
Okay. See if I can spot him for you. Hold up. I don't see him there. Let's head back up the middle of the field right here. Right where this game trail's going. Come on, go over in front of me here. Go slow. Looking under that tree right there. We're probably going to scare everything out of the county. One of those berries you were talking about?
They seem like nuts.
I should know. I don't want to say crab apple. I think it might be crab apple. They're everywhere.
What a crab apple.
It's a little darn branch. They call them like they're, I guess they're the consistency of an apple, but they're really bitter.
Are they
They
poisonous?
smell like an apple.
Smell it.
Yeah, I think it's crab apple.
Are they poisonous?
No,
Can I have one then?
no. That'll make you have diarrhea. Try to avoid the stickers. Go right. Your other right. Over here. Come over here. We'll go around it. A nest right there, probably a bird's nest.
I tried to pick it up.
Go park, just leave it alone when you find something like that. They worked hard to make that little nest.
I'm wondering why it's on the bench.
What'd you find?
A little entrance.
Mm-hmm. Might have been in there. A bird, possibly. Hold that in your left hand. Keep it pointed towards the ground. Up here to the little easier path to your left. The way that we cut years back. Really pretty.
Like a mix.
Go straight up. Be careful of the ground. It may be soft. Yep. Nope. Go left. Once you get up there, go left. You're walking too fast. You're not going to see anything. Could be right here. Under that big evergreen. Look under. You got me winded. Come up through here and see if you can kick anything. Where's our exit? Did it grow over? I don't even see it up there.
What?
The exit out of the fence. I think it's left. I think this is it right here. Come on out. I think we go straight out. It just grew over everything. I don't know if any bunnies right now. If they were here, we couldn't see them anyway. Coming out of the jungle.
Look what I found.
Another clay target.
We can both shoot one.
Alright, let's go back there. Probably back to... Okay. You can try there. We're going to try shooting these clay targets off up here. Oh, maybe 20 yards.
Hi, this is Jacob with Lemon Hat, and I am shooting my papa's 22 pistol.
Yep, it's a Heritage Rough Rider.
Yeah, at a clay target. I'm trying to
Down
shoot
range here.
the one
On the post?
on the post.
Alright, you go ahead. Take your time.
Oh, that was
Yep. Try again. Not doing my job here. You nailed it. What do you think?
Is there one more round?
Yep.
Can I shoot the middle?
Go ahead.
Won't it bounce back?
No, that's 22. You're fine. Nothing? Think you're out of fun. No, you had one left. All right, you're done.